more useful space. The 19:9 full-screen design delivers more usable display space. Exclusive design. True comfort. The innovative screen design is what strikes you. With even more screen and less border, View2 fits cozyly in your palm. Complete immersion. The tailor-made user interface fits the entire display. Enjoy total immersion, from films and games to all your apps. The top display bar simply pops up to manage your music and take a call when you need it. Standout image quality. The first-rate camera experience for pictures, slides and videos meant to be shared. Daylight, low light, night light. Selfies are so vibrant and sharp in any lighting conditions. You'll catch 4x the natural light with big pixel technology and a f/2.0 aperture for maximum details and less noise. Totally share-worthy detailed selfies are lookbook ready on the 16MP front camera with its 5P lenses. When you're backlit, go ahead and snap the moment. Auto HDR keeps the best exposures for high-quality self-portraits. Enable the even smarter camera experience that automatically reduces blur and noise thanks to the combination of instant multi-frame processing and blurless. Your pictures reflect the joy of the moment on the 13MP rear camera. Low light is effectively optimized for radiant snapshots with the f/2.0 aperture and 5P lenses. Memorable stills in a snap with auto scene detection, adjusting your setup for each situation. Film smoother clips now from the front as well. Both the selfie camera and rear dual camera come with FHD video stabilization for steady footage without the shakes. Google Photos becomes your gallery. Images all well sorted, detecting places and things. In the app, add filters, blur background, crop or rotate your photos directly. Edits are applied but can be undone anytime. All this with unlimited storage and easy sharing. Dynamic speed. Hidden beneath the hood is a powerful processor and 3GB RAM. 4G LTE assures live streaming and fast downloading.